Hi friends, good evening. In this video, we will look on this MT202 and MT202 cover method. How the MT202 and MT202 cover payment happen and what is the difference between MT202 and MT202 cover payment. Purpose of MT202 message is the fund transfer between various financial institutions. Ordering customer initiate the transaction directly, but fund flow happen from this various correspondent bank after it's received to that beneficiary institution. What is the difference between MT202 and MT202 cover payment? Both the messages are bank to bank financial institution transfer message. MT202 is a ISO 22 standard message, but MT202 cover payment introduced after 2011 September attack. MT202 don't have this ordering sender and receiver information, but MT202 cover payment have a sender and receiver information. MT202 cover payment is a more secure payment because we have a sender and receiver information, so it's never happen anything from AML money laundering issue, and the fund cannot able to send from any terrorist attack. The risk level also very low. The MT202 cover payment is a more secure compared with MT202 message, because MT202 message they don't have a sender and receiver information, though so some issues happen, but MT202 cover payment they have a sender and receiver information, who is initiate the transaction, or who is get that amount, all the information is available, so we can able to avoid lot of anti money laundering and a terrorist attack, illegal fund transfer, and all this such kind of illegal activities avoided in MT202 cover payments. Here I given the example from this how the transaction flow happen from this MT202 cover payment. Vinod need to send 15k AU to Rahul. How the flow is happen? Vinod is approach to this ordering institution bank SBI. Ordering institution bank send the money to sender correspondent bank. After sender correspondent bank send the money to receiver correspondent bank. Receiver correspondent bank interact with this receiver bank, and finally that specific 15k AED amount created to this Rahul. This who is the ordering customer for this example? We know who is initiate the transaction. That person is called ordering customer. Ordering customer's field is 15A. We know he is from India. He is from this ordering customer. Who is ordering institution? SBI Bank. Vinod hold a account in SBI Bank from India. Ordering customer where hold this account? Ordering institution. Ordering institution 52A. SBI India. Ordering customer initiate the transaction via ordering institution. Who is the central correspondent bank for this example? ICICI Bank India. Ordering institution they don't have a direct relationship with the receiver bank Citi UAE. So ordering institution approach for this sender correspondent bank ICICI. Sender correspondent bank 53A ICICI. Ordering institution bank and center correspondent bank, both are same country. After sender correspondent bank send the acknowledge to the receiver correspondent bank UAE. Who is the receiver correspondent for this example? FAB. After receiver correspondent bank interact with this receiver bank account with institution and create that amount, and finally that amount is sent to that beneficiary customer Rahul. Who is the receiver bank for this? Citibank UAE is a receiver bank account with institution. Account with institution 57K Citi UAE. Finally, the amount 15K AED to credited to that beneficiary. Who is the beneficiary for this example? Rahul. Beneficiary customer 59A Rahul. The 15K AED amount credited to that sender to receiver via this kind of flow. MT202 and MT202 cover payment correspondent bank involved. Next slide, we will look on this. What are the kind of field details available in MT202 cover payment and MT202 message? 20 transaction reference number. Whenever the transaction is initiated, on the time one reference number is generated in system, 16-digit reference number is generated in system. That is called a transaction reference number. After it's come to the 21 related reference number. 13 is a time indication. 32A is a valid date, currency code and amount. What is the value date format? YYMMDD. Currency code is UAE. What is the currency code for this transaction? AED 15,000. Next, 52A, ordering institution. Who ordering customer have account in ordering institution. Ordering institution only the initiate the transaction. After ordering institution approach for the sender correspondent bank. That field is a 53A. Sender correspondent bank approach for this receiver correspondent bank. That field is a 54A. After in our scenario, intermediate bank not involved. Intermediate bank is a field is a 56A. Account with institution field is a 57A. Beneficiary institution field is a 58A. Sender to receiver information is available in 72 field. Why? What purpose they are using from intermediate bank? Suppose the correspondent bank they don't have a access in local clearing, on the time the correspondent bank approach for this intermediate bank. Mostly the correspondent bank always multinational banks or big banks. Intermediate bank is a local clearing banks. Thanks for watching this video. Please provide your valuable comments